Hi, Ellie here, and today we're going to cover the best tips for using the Volt 12. Let's do it. Cooking in a high heat electric pizza oven can be a great way to achieve a crispy crust and perfectly melted toppings. Here are some tips to get you the best results. With the Volt, you will need to preheat the oven. It comes with a really handy booklet that provides cooking times for different types of pizza. Ensure that your pizza oven is fully preheated using the guide before putting the pizza in. This helps in achieving that perfect crust and base cook. For example, for a 450 degrees Celsius high heat pizza cook, I turn the oven on, turn the dial in the center to 450 Celsius, and when that ping's ready, I launch the pizza. The balance automatically shows, which works fine with my cook. But it's great to have that option to change the heat balance from the stone to the top where needed. The boost function is very handy too. You just turn the dial full anti-clockwise and that will boost your stone for 45 seconds should you need to do that. The pizza stone provided is designed for high temperature cooking, and it's the same type as the outdoor wood and gas-fired pizza ovens, and so this helps in the distribution of heat and achieving that authentic crispy crust. For a crispier crust and a faster cook, stretch out your pizza dough thinly. This allows the heat to penetrate the dough faster. Use high protein flour for your pizza dough. This type of flour produces a chewier and more elastic dough that can withstand high temperatures. I use Blue Caputo 00 pizza flour. Check out my how to make pizza dough in the link above and below. You may need to pre-cook certain toppings, such as raw meats or watery vegetables, before putting them on the pizza. This prevents the toppings from releasing too much moisture and making the crust all soggy. In particular, if you're using buffalo mozzarella, make sure to squeeze out all the juices, else you'll end up with a pink soggy tomato sauce top. Even though this oven controls the temperature you set, I still check the stone temperature in the center with a laser digital thermometer to ensure the stone is hot enough for a good base cook. It has heat spots, and that spot is at the back, so I would advise to rotate your pizza once to ensure an even crust cook. This oven is very easy to use, but you should still keep an eye on the pizza crust at the back, halfway through, especially at full heat of 450 degrees Celsius. Cooking times can vary, and you want to avoid overcooking, which can result in a burnt crust and toppings, and it can happen very quickly. Invest in a lightweight steel pizza peel to easily remove the pizza in and out of the oven. This helps maintain the shape of the pizza and prevents it from sticking to the surface. Also, it's worth getting a lightweight wooden pizza peel for the launch. With some fine semolina, these are great for launching pizza. Experiment with the temperature settings to find the right balance for your specific pizza recipe and dough. Higher temperatures should lead to a faster cook, but it's essential to find the optimal setting for your dough and toppings. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for this pizza oven, as they list the ideal temperatures for different pizza types. Using this electric pizza oven makes cooking pizza easy. What with the automatic temperature regulation and automatic top and bottom balance control, this oven will do everything for you. All you need to do is launch your pizza in, monitor it, and remove it when needed. Check out my Ooni Volt 12 review video for my thoughts on this oven so far. So I hope you found this video useful. Check out my other pizza oven review videos and tips on the links above and below. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye!